Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harry. Today we are going to learn how to insert symbol in Excel. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. This is our 31st video and here we go. Here we want, in this range, we want your symbol. So what we will do is we will go to symbol here. We will select in the cell and then we'll go to home, and here we will see here insert, and there we will see here at the last corner symbol, and we will go to click here symbol, and here you will see one pop-up is shown here. Here we want to choose, if we scroll down we will get all the symbols, but for selection we can see here subset. Just click here and you can see if it changes as per your need. And for symbol, if you want this tick and wrong option, we can see here version woundings, and then here we go woundings. You will see here all the needed status symbol is here. So for now I need this tick mark or like this, and insert and close. So here you can see my tick mark is symbol is inserted. So here, and in another case I will select here insert symbol and same this woundings. I will come down and choose here this cross symbol. So this way you can do. And so if I want to change the color of this symbol, we can do. For tick mark I will select home tab and change this color into green, and for cross I will choose red. So, and I drag this. Now you can see my symbol is inserted properly with formatting with color. So this is a quick video that will help to insert symbol in the cell and even coloring the symbol. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.